Hello. Clearly it just got out of the shower, so I thought we would try a new hairstyle today because I always love to switch it up and also show you the products that I've been using lately for healthy, hydrated hair. So thank you to Dove for partnering with me on this video. I cannot wait to tell you guys about Dove hair therapy products. Dove hair therapy hair care products focuses on solutions for all the things that our scalp and hair really need. Think repairing, smoothing, strengthening, all the things you want for real results with high potency ingredients. You guys always ask me about healthy hair tips, especially because I have naturally curly hair, color my hair, and I'm often styling it. But I've always said that healthy hair starts from a solid base. You want something that's gonna be really nourishing from your hair to begin with. So I've been washing my hair lately with the Dove Hair Therapy Rescue and Protect shampoo and the 1 Minute Serum Conditioner. These products are sulfate and paraben free, so it's safe for my color treated hair, which is amazing. Let me grab them. So the Rescue and Protect focuses on strengthening my internal hair bonds, as well as sealing my split ends, which I have a lot of, I'm not gonna lie. And the conditioner is also so unique. I've never seen anything like it because it combines a conditioner with the potency of a serum in one step. So it's gonna help to seal my split ends and also visibly repair and protect my hair in 1 minute. So if you also have damaged or overprocessed hair, I highly recommend the Rescue and Protect products. They're freaking awesome. Right out of the shower, my hair looks and feels so soft. So start with these. And then post shower, I actually only use 2 products, so it makes it easy. First, I'll apply Dove Hair Therapy Brilliant Gloss Repair and Ceramide Serum. My favorite hair products of all time are always products that's gonna make my hair hydrated and look really smooth and glossy. I just love that look, especially because my hair is just naturally so dry. When I color my hair, it just gets even more dried out. So these products are a lifesaver for me. It's a reparative leave-in gloss serum with ceramide that's gonna help seal your split ends and also boost shine. And this hair serum was also specifically developed for people with damaged and color treated hair. So hello me. So I like to apply about 2 pumps in the palm of my hand, rub that together, and then run this kind of from mid hair all the way down. I also like to focus this on the tips of my hair, which tends to get the most dry. I also kind of like to pat it. This also smells so good. Lastly, before I blow dry, I will go in with Dove Hair Therapy 7-in-1 Miracle Mist. This is a leave-in spray formulated with vitamin C and amino serum that strengthens and visibly repairs damaged hair. So I like to spritz this in my hair from root to tip because it does help protect against my blow drying. Brush it through. This also helps detangle my hair. My hair can get extremely tangly. It also helps control frizz. Overall, just like nourishes my hair without weighing it down. And that's literally all the hair products that I use before I style. So I'm gonna link them all in the description box below. They're incredible. I prefer to let my hair air dry if at all possible, but when I do want to leave the house soon, then I'll obviously blow dry it. So I'm gonna go ahead and rough blow dry my hair and also kind of work in a round brush just to give me some volume. My hair already looks so smooth. So I also wanted to try a new hairstyle today because I've had these hair rollers, like these Velcro hair rollers for a while, and I've kind of really only focused them on my bangs before, but I've been seeing all these tutorials of people kind of using these to set their hair when they're blow drying it. So they'll use a round brush like this and then go in with a Velcro roller, kind of curl it, and then it kind of sets. So I thought I would try that out today and switch it up because a lot of people who try out these new hair tools have like naturally pretty tame hair, but I clearly don't. So I always like to test new things and see if it works for my hair. While my ends are still hot from the blow dryer, I'm gonna go in with a Velcro roller, kind of roll it up like this. Hopefully I'm doing this right, but that's okay if I'm not. I'm gonna go get some hair clips, but hopefully it looks cute in the end. I am so unwell. I basically took any kind of little hair clip, attached it to the rollers just because they were kind of falling out. So hopefully I get some volume. I look absolutely hilarious, but you know, we're going for a voluminous blowout look. So hopefully this works out. Time will tell. But I'm gonna let this set for a little bit. I'm not sure how long, but I'll keep you posted if we can take these out together. And I know someone's gonna notice. I had my ring off because I was showering. I'm still not comfortable showering with it yet, but like, let me know. Do you shower with yours? What should I do? We lost a roller. R.I.P. Let's take her out. I'm so excited. Ta-da! I'm actually gonna start more with the bottom ones since these have been in the longest. I'm definitely channeling some big dog energy with these rollers. Ooh, look at that curl. It's so cute. Stop. My hair looks so cute. And the final. Wait, this is so cute. I need to look at this in the mirror. Honestly, I feel like I just got my hair professionally done. I am so shook right now. What? I really wasn't expecting it to look this voluminous. Oh, baby. And like even my ends, even with using the Velcro rollers, like my ends are still really hydrated, smooth, glossy. Like my hair feels really soft. Like honestly, the products that you use on your hair are so important. Oh, it's so bouncy. I'm gonna go do like my makeup and everything right now and just get ready because now my hair looks fire. But I will spare you the details of my get ready with me because I feel like I've been doing a lot of that in my vlogs lately. And also I just did a full makeup tutorial with trying new products. So if you wanna check that out, I will link that down below. Makeup on point. Did my makeup and just threw on this outfit. I just got these jeans. I'm so obsessed with them. And I'm so excited because I found them on Poshmark for over $100 off than what they retail for. So we call that a win with that little split hem. Oh, so good. Alex is with me and we made it to the proper and we're gonna hang out, have some fun.
Yeah.
Cheers. This is really good.
I'm actually gonna move back over here.
Okay, bye. I'll miss you, sweetie. And then I brought my book. Right now I'm reading The House in the Cerulean Sea. I think that's how you pronounce it. We got some artichokes, which look so good. I've honestly never seen artichokes like presented like this, like the whole artichoke. That looks amazing. And then we also got some fries. It's like, how do you pass up French fries, you know?
And they're really good.
Now we're off to dinner.
Or eating.
Eating and eating. Lighting's amazing.
Just a good summer drink too.
Yeah. Oh, baby. Alex got the cacio e pepe.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. It's the next day. I promise we did more yesterday than just eating, but that's all I vlogged. So what can you do? We're going to a little work day because we need some coffee desperately. We ran out of coffee again. So we're like, might as well just have a little work day at the coffee shop. Back. Getting out of the house to do little work days. I need to do that more often. For some reason, I just like get sucked in to my laptop on days where I'm like editing and doing things that don't require filming. But I'm basically working on a couple different things right now. Well, obviously I'm editing my proposal video, which I still need to get up. I know I'm the absolute worst. And I also spent a little time looking through the Revolve site to pick out my selects for Revolve Festival, which I'm so excited about. But it's also like stressful because I haven't been to a festival since, when's the last time it happened? 2019, which is so crazy. And I feel like the style has changed so much. I don't even know what's gonna be in. What is the vibe? I feel like everyone is struggling right now to figure out what to wear to the festival. I have 2 outfits ordered. One of my pieces actually got stolen. I talked about this on my Instagram story the other day, but I went down to retrieve a package because I was like, you know what? It's been a while since I ordered that skirt. I wonder where that is. And then according to my shop app, it was delivered on Saturday. And by this point it was Monday. So I was like, oh my God, exciting. So I went to our package room, which is locked. Like you need a physical key to open it. And then as soon as you shut it, it automatically locks. So I went in there and my mouth dropped when I walked into the package room. I was so upset. The entire package room was ransacked. It was just every single package that was in there was opened and everything was taken out of there. And in that moment, my heart sank because I was like, oh no. And sure enough, my skirt package was ripped open and the skirt was taken out of it. And I may have shed a few tears. And luckily I only had one other package in there at the time, which was like a PR makeup package, which I'm still bummed about. But I was just so shook that someone would have the audacity to do that. It's also so ballsy, like going through every single package. There was like 40 packages in there, you guys. Like 40 packages, you're just gonna, how much time did they spend in there? And how did you not get caught? Like, I'm so shook of when this happened. It had to have happened over the weekend. But like the fact that no one noticed or happened to be in that room at the time, it's like a high traffic area. People are constantly walking by. So many questions. And I felt bad. Like I shared this on Instagram and I was like, I know this is such a trivial thing. I'm just like so upset that my skirt was taken because this was like a splurge item for me. I don't normally spend this much on a piece of clothing. I was like, of freaking course, that is the item that's stolen, like a splurge item versus something like laundry detergent or something, which also would be very upsetting. But you guys made me feel better about it, saying, no, this is like such a violation of your things. Like you have totally the right to be upset. I would be so upset. And a lot of you have obviously experienced this as well. I know this unfortunately happens all the time. So it's just such a freaking bummer. But when this happened on Monday, I was like freaking out to Sarah and she reminded me of something. She gave me a silver lining, which is so worth noting, that at least they didn't take my festival tickets because those wristbands arrived that weekend, but I actually had gotten some jeans that I ordered arrived at the same time. So I got that notification. So I ran down to the package room and it wasn't even in that locked room. It was just out on the floor of the mail room. So I grabbed that one and I noticed I had a different package, which was also my wristbands. So I grabbed both of those and had those up in my apartment. Holy crap, that would have been so bad. There's no way those would have been refunded. I would probably be just SOL. I just can't believe it. Like how bad would that have been? Whoever the thief is, like have fun with 3 different acne prescriptions. Not gonna cover the ugly karma coming your way. Literally 40 packages, but they kept one ripped open that they decided they didn't want to keep. And you know what it was? It was shoes, like combat boots. Like were they, of all things, they were just like, you know what? That's not my style. That's not my size. You know, I'm just gonna leave this one here. You can stay. Anyway, that is your tea for the day. But now I'm gonna go record some TikToks / reels. I share them to my TikToks first and then like days later, I'll share them to my reels. So if you always wanna be in the know, get the scoop first. Follow me on TikTok. Also, if you like book content, I post mostly book content over there right now because I just find that you guys respond to it really well over there, which I think is really fun and interesting. Finished my TikToks, edited one and also posted it already. So love to see it. I decided to switch it up for my reels actually because I forget that those videos that I film are always way too long for reels. Like I think you can only get to like 60 seconds on a reel right now, whereas my TikTok reading wrap-ups are like 3 minutes. Figured I would do like, I have a different concept that I'm gonna do for reels. So this is such a random time to do this before dinner, but I'm gonna take a quick bath because I am so sore. Like I think I slept wrong. The position that I fell asleep in is exactly what I woke up in and I don't know if I moved at all. So my neck's been killing me all day. I'm gonna take a quick bath with some Epsom salt because that always helps me. What can you do? It's also a gloomy, cold day. So I feel like a bath is just warranted. It just feels so good. But don't worry, I'm obviously gonna throw my hair up because we cannot ruin this fresh AF hair. Maybe get some reading in on my Kindle. Here's my little setup. Got my bath tray, some sparkling water, and that's it. That honestly felt so good. It was so needed. I also made some progress in my book that I'm reading, which is The House in the Cerulean Sea. I'm excited to see where the story goes. Also, Alex just made some dinner. Some corn pasta, so good. So mama is gonna eat and also edit. Got a lot of editing. Editing takes so long. I feel like people don't realize how long it takes when you're editing YouTube videos and also like reels and TikToks and stuff. It is a process. I wish I was a faster editor, honestly, but I love editing sometimes. What can you do? Had to move to the bed because it's obviously way more comfortable than editing in my chair. We're all about the comfort.